Today, I'm showing you exactly how to change the font and font size of comments in Adobe Acrobat. Whether you want your feedback to stand out a little more, look cleaner for sharing, or simply make notes easier to read. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to personalize your comments with confidence, and you'll be able to format them quickly whenever you need to. Let's jump right in and walk through the process together. First, you'll want to open up the Comments toolbar. To do this, head up to the top of Adobe Acrobat and click on the Tools tab. From there, look for Comment and give that a click. The Comments toolbar is where all the note-taking and annotation magic happens. It's kind of like grabbing your toolbox before starting a home project. You need the right tools in easy reach. Next, you'll find the comment you want to update. Just click either directly on the comment's text or on its little icon. Maybe that's a sticky note or a box around a text comment. Acrobat will highlight your selection, making it clear which comment you're about to edit. This step keeps things organized, especially in documents filled with lots of feedback. If you have trouble finding a comment, just scroll slowly and look for those colored note icons. Acrobat likes to make them fairly visible. Once your comment is selected, it's time to bring up the Properties toolbar. On Windows, hit Ctrl+E, and on a Mac, just press CMD+E. You might not have known this shortcut before, but it's a real time saver. A floating toolbar will pop up usually right above your Acrobat window. Think of this little toolbar like a mini control panel. It holds all the font and size options you'll need. Now, click inside the text box or open the sticky note pop-up and highlight the specific text you want to format. Don't forget, you can highlight all the text if you want the whole comment to look consistent, or just part of it to emphasize a section. It's like bolding key instructions on a sticky note in real life. You get to decide what stands out. If your first try doesn't highlight exactly what you want, just click and drag again until you're happy. Here's where the fun begins. Adjusting your font settings. On the Properties toolbar, you'll see drop-down menus for both font family and font size. You can pick a font style that matches your mood, maybe something professional or a bit more playful for a less formal document. Then, choose a size that's comfortable to read. Making the font size bigger can really help when you're sharing feedback with colleagues who might prefer larger type or are reviewing on a small screen. Take a moment to experiment. You'll see your changes update in real time as you select different options, which is great for making sure it really looks just right. Once your edits are complete and the text looks the way you want, simply click outside the comment box. This step is important. By clicking away, Acrobat knows you're finished, and it'll lock in your formatting changes. If you forget this part, sometimes Acrobat doesn't actually save the look. So make sure you see that little fade as you click elsewhere. That's really all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you can take any comment in Acrobat and make it fit your style or needs, whether you're leaving proofreading notes, instructions, or reminders. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up. Drop any questions in the comments. I'm always here to help you out. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks with Adobe Acrobat and other tools. See you in the next video.